to talk about matchsticks. Okay, as last week I will give you some ideas. Yes, we're going to talk about matchsticks. Now, I do not know whether you know what is matchsticks. Okay, so well, the solving matchstick problem is a very classic math puzzle. Okay, it trains short-term memory and imagination. It solves tasks in a very atypical, that means a very unusual manner, and expands your spatial and logical thinking. Okay, but okay, so we're going to know what is the matchstick that actually form numbers. So we're going to know how many numbers of matchstick is required to form a number. For example, if you want to write a number, number 1. So I will need 2 matchstick to form a number 1. Okay, so we're going to learn later on how we add matchstick to get a new number. For example, if I add 1 more, I become a 7, right? Okay, and how do I reduce the matchstick to get a new number? So for example, if I remove what I added just now, I become back a 1. And sometimes I can move the matchstick around to form a new number. Okay, so again, I would like to ask you, okay, before we go further, matchstick, what does it use for? A matchstick normally looks like, it's a small stick. I don't have anymore and I can't find it in the supermarket because they don't sell it anymore. So I do not know whether you know what is the function of a matchstick. Normally it's made of very, very small piece of wood, and at the end of the wood there's something red. Anybody knows? Want to tell me? Qianli, hello, welcome. Do you know what's matchstick for?
It's a matchstick for lighting a fire.
Very good. So you strike it against something, so you start lighting up a fire. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. And nowadays we don't really see it anymore because we are using other things. Like at my house, I'm using a lighter like this. Woo! So this is like more convenient, isn't it? Ooh, okay. So therefore, we don't have matchstick anymore. Okay, but it's just a very small piece of something like toothpick. Yeah, something like a toothpick. All right. So it's yeah. So these are the matchstick. You see the red dot, yes, and then they form different numbers. Okay, so let's find out which of the following numbers are made of 5, exactly 5 matchsticks. And please circle them all. Okay, so let's see the 0. Okay, so let's count how many matchstick does it made of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 will need 6 matchstick. Okay, and 1 will obviously need 2. And let's count 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this one will need 5. Okay, how about 3? Somebody count for me? Anybody? I find very lonely counting up here. Somebody can please raise your hand. Okay, James Gao, come. Can you tell me number 3? How many matchsticks are there?
5.
Oh, you already counted so fast. Okay, correct. 5. How about 4? How many?
4.
Yes. Well done. Okay, let me call somebody else. Okay, thank you, James. Yes, somebody else. Ray Hao. Yeah. Just now I didn't see you. You coming in late, is it? Hello, Ray Hao. How many matchsticks for 5? Can you count for us?
5.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about 6? How many matchsticks are there? How many?
6.
Yes, 6. Okay, I will call somebody else. Thank you, Ray Hao, for answering. You're eating, isn't it? Eating and having lesson at the same time? It's not a good idea, huh? All right. Qianli, can you tell us 7? How many matchsticks are there?
3.
Yes. How about 8?
7.
7, yes. And 9, how many?
6.
Yes, well done. Okay, now everyone should have a piece of paper in front of you, right? Yes, Jenny, thank you very much, Jenny. Please write it down. How many matchsticks make up the numbers, because you need that information later on. Okay, so I'm going to summarize. You can see that. Okay, let's start with the lowest number is 2 sticks. If I need 2 sticks, there's only one number, which is 1, right? There's only one number need 2 sticks. Next number 3. If I need 3 sticks, just copy down what I'm writing, okay? It is a 7, because you need the information later on, okay? 4 sticks. If you check, okay, only 4. Only 4 is 4 sticks. Okay, and 5 sticks. Oh, 5 sticks have quite a lot. The 2, the 3, and the 5. So that actually answer our question. How many numbers made of 5 sticks? 2, 3, and 5. Okay. Okay, let's carry on. 6 sticks. That's a 0, and that's a 6. Okay, and there is a 9. Okay, 7 sticks is the highest number, which is 8. Okay, I'm sorry for my handwriting, but can you write this down on your paper? You can write in short form. So most important, most of the time we will use is 5 and 6. So it's good to know how many numbers is made of 5 matchsticks. Is 2, 3, 5. And what are the numbers made of 6 sticks? Is 0, 6, 9. Okay, and take a look at how they form the numbers using matchsticks. Is in this manner. Okay, are you ready? We go, okay? We go already? Copy down already? Okay, so let's go. So in the last lesson, we, oh, wait. Okay, so this one, yes. Wait, is this the right? Yes, okay. So, let's try to remove the one matchstick. So, wait. I think the slides got something wrong. Where? Hold on. Harry, do you pull out the correct? This is 9B. Harry, this is 9B, not 9A. Today is 9A. Harry, can you pull out the right slides? Don't worry, the first starting is the same, which lays the foundation for today's class. Okay, where is my teaching assistant? Okay, don't worry, I'll pull it out. Okay. All right. Well, the starting part is the same, okay? Yeah, see? So we already covered that. What are the following numbers made of? How many sticks are there? So we already covered that. Okay. Now, this one warm-up activity. How many matchsticks are used to form the following number? Okay, so if you copy down what I wrote just now, this is very easy. Or if you didn't copy down, you can just count again. 1, obviously, is made of 2. 5 is made of 5. How about 8? Anybody can answer me? 8 is very special. It has the most number of matchsticks. Okay, I see hands. Very good. Rui Hao want to answer, yeah? Come, Rui Hao, can you give me the answer for 8 and 9? 8, how many matchsticks?
The answer is 7 because
It's okay. No need to. I think we can also count. It's just 7, right? How about 9?
and then I have 6.
Yes, very good. Thank you very much. And quickly finish your eating, all right? Because when you eat, you cannot write. You need to write it down. Okay, what you learn. Thank you, Rui Hao. Somebody else? Elisa, you want to say something? Elisa, hello. You are raising your hand. I presume you want to say something? Do you have anything to say? Or you press wrongly?
Yeah, I just want to do it.
Okay. Okay. Next question, maybe I will call you. All right. See whether you are able to answer. Okay. Very good. Let's look at this. This is 6. How do we add one matchstick to make the number into a new one? Okay. Now, if you can count how many matchsticks is this 6 made of. So if you check the number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sticks inside this number 6. So if I add 1, it becomes 7 sticks. So if you check the list, there's only one number which is made of 7 sticks, which is drum roll. It is number 8. You get that right? Only number 8 is made of 7 sticks. Yes, Jianhao, they are correct. It's number 8. Okay. Well, some of you say, Madam J, I don't think it's very efficient. I think I just add one more line here. I can see it's a new number already. I don't need to go and count how many sticks are there. You may argue this way. Yes, because now we start very simple. Later on, we're going to get more complicated questions. Okay. So, let's see whether you can handle this one. Okay, so please don't answer in the chat group. I'm going to give you a selector. There are 3 answers here, and you can pick the correct answer. Let me open the selector. Okay, and I give you about 1 minute. Is it enough? 1 minute to answer. Okay, so which of the following numbers can be changed into a new number by adding a matchstick? So you can think. Which number? Add one new matchstick, you can form a new number. Is it 2? Is it 5? Is it 8? How do I know? So you can try, imagine in your head. That's why it trains your imagination. If I add a line here, what will happen? What number is that? Don't know. Okay, maybe it doesn't work here. How about if I add line here? What number is this? Does it work? Maybe. How about I add a line here? What number is this? Is it 6? Don't think so, leh. Okay. So is it 2, 5, or Alexis? Is there only one answer? Only one answer, okay? I see some of you choose 2 answers. Tiara, you also want to, maybe you change your answer. Anna, are you there, Anna? Okay, I'm going to close the selector, and many of you get correct answer. I'm going to give you a trophy, and I would like to ask somebody to let's see who. Rosa, how about Rosa? Can you tell us what do you choose?
I think I just B.
You choose C. You choose C. 8.
B. I just B.
B. B. 5. Okay, what new number can you form? Can you tell me? I give you the authorization. You can draw on the diagram. You want to draw on the diagram?
Yeah.
Show us what's the new number. Okay, what number is that?
9.
9. Well done. Yes, it's number 9. Thank you very much, Rosa. Yes, it's correct. But I also want to mention, remember we talk about how many sticks it is made of. So 8 is made of 7 sticks, and you know 7 is actually the highest number. So if you plus 1, it becomes 8. There's no number is made of 8 sticks. So 8 is out. Okay, this is one way that you can eliminate. 5 is made of 5 sticks initially. So if you plus 1, it becomes 6. And if you look at all the numbers that's made of 6 sticks, it's either 0, or maybe I write this manner. It's either 0, 6, or 9. If you recall, 0, 6, or 9. So you try to look at 5, okay? Can it be made into 0? Cannot. Can it be made into 6? Possible, right? So you can see that I can add another line here to make into a 6. Can it make into a 9? Yes, possible too. I can make it into a 9. So 5 is possible. So this helps you, if you know how many sticks it's made of, it can help you to try to predict what are the possible numbers it can change into. Okay? So it's not useless, okay? It's not useless. So please remember 5 sticks, the numbers are 2, 3, and 5. And 6 sticks is 0, 6, 9. Okay, so let's go on to next question, all right? Now, just now we add one matchstick to form a new number, but we are going to look at how about equation. Make the left equals to the right. Let's try it out. Okay, so this is what we call equation. You see there's an equal sign here? Okay, so 1 plus 3, does it equal to 10? Obviously no, right? But how do I make it equal? Like, how do I make it work? By adding one matchstick, only one matchstick. Somebody help me. I see hands up. Okay, some of you so fast. You mean you already see? Chenny, maybe you have an answer already. Hi, Chenny.
Add a matchstick to the 1 to make it 7.
Okay, do you want to draw for us? I give you the authorization. You can draw for us. How does it look like? Ah, very good. You adding the 7. Well done. Thank you very much, Jenny. Wow. How do you decide? Is it like you imagine in your head? It looks like 7 plus 3 equals to 10. You just look at it and you know the answer, Jenny. Is it?
Yes.
Wow,
Yeah.
excellent. Well done. Okay. But this is not the only answer. So Tianli say it's 7. Let me just write it down. 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Yes, that is absolutely correct. Okay. But, okay, I'm going to erase this. So anyone has a different answer? Jackie. Jackie, do you have another different answer? But it also works.
Add one more after 3.
I give you the authorization. You go and draw it out for me, Ken. Hold on.
Okay.
Yes, there you go. Where should I put the line? Oh, what number is that?
9.
Okay. So your equation, can you read out the equation that you form? So it's 1 plus
9
equals to
10.
Yes, excellent. But Jackie, I'm just curious. How do you see it? How do you see it? Does it like just now, Tianli also, you see the equation, you straight away know the answer?
Think.
Does it come to you very naturally?
Think.
It just pop up. Think. That's a very good answer. Yes. Thank you, Jackie. Yes. Thank you very much. Okay, so yes, there are two answers here. One is 7 plus 3, the other one is 1 plus 9. But I want to tell you, sometimes, okay, I'm going to erase this one first. Sometimes it's good to know how many matchsticks it's made of, and then we can decide whether we can add in one more or we cannot add in. So for example, 1 is made of 2 matchsticks. If I plus 1, it becomes 3, right? So let's think what are the possible numbers is made of 3 matchsticks. And that's only 7. 7 is made of 3 sticks. This is the only number made of 3 sticks. Okay, if you remember just now, I wrote down from 0 all the way to 9. Okay, so, 7 plus 3, yes, it works. Now, let's look at 3. 3 is made of 5 matchsticks. So if I add one more, it becomes 6. What are the possible numbers made of 6 matchsticks? 6 matchsticks. So the possible numbers just now I shared is 0. 0 doesn't work here. And 6. 6 doesn't work here. And the last one is 9. So 9 is the correct option. So from this one, I can check what are the possible. That's why I know got 2 answers. Yeah, that's how I check got 2 answers. Okay. All right, very good. This one you try yourself. Okay, let's see. Let's see whether you can get an answer. Okay, I'm opening up the selector. And 1 minute. Is it sufficient? Which number can make the equation true by adding 1 matchstick to it? Add 1. Can only add 1, not 2, only 1. So can I change the 5 or can I change the 4? I think the answer is a bit difficult to change. I think the answer will stay as 13. Okay, wow, everybody got correct answer. I'm very impressed. Oops, somebody. Let me see. Somebody made the wrong choice. Oh no. Okay, Tianli, are you answering? You are not choosing. Why? Tianli, are you there? Why are you not choosing? Huh? Do you need more time? No? Okay, I'm going to close the selector, all right? And most of you get it correct. Now, I know some of the people in the class are very shy, but I'm just going to ask somebody, Huang Hao. Huang Hao, can you type your answer in the chat or chat box? I'm going to open the chat box. Huang Hao, can you, let me see, Huang Hao, is he in? Yes. Okay, Huang Hao's choice is A. Can you tell us what do you change 5 to? Can you type the number? Okay, everybody, yes, A. What is the number, Huang Hao, that you, oh, I see already. Huang Hao saying 5 can change into 9. And 9 plus 4 will equal to 13. And excellent, Huang Hao. I'm going to give you a trophy, all right? Let me see. Yes, well done. So 5 plus 1 matchstick become 9, and 9 plus 4 equal to 13. That's correct. Yes. So not so difficult, right? But you know, as a teacher, I would like you to actually count how many matchsticks it is made of. Okay, so you will realize 5 is made of 5 matchsticks, 5 sticks. So if I add 1, it becomes 6. And 6 sticks can give you 0, 6, or 9. So in this case, 9 works, not the other two. Okay, and if you look at 4, 4 is made of 4 sticks. Okay, 4 is made of 4 sticks. If you plus 1, you get 5 sticks. So what are numbers 5 sticks? There are 2 and 3 and 5. But if you put them inside, the equation is still not true. It's not able to give you 13, so it fails. All right, let's move on. Okay, I'm going to close the chat box. Please pay attention. Yes. Thank you very much. Okay, so I think we are heading for a break, is it? Not yet. Okay, we're going to learn about how about removing matchsticks. Okay, so previously we always add. So how about we are going to remove a matchstick? So is it going to be harder? Let's take a look. All right. We are going to remove 1 matchstick from the number 9. And what new numbers can the number 9 turn into? Is it possible to give me 3? Or is it 5? Or is it 6? Are you able to see? Or you can raise your hand. I'm going to call if you are confident enough to tell me the answer. I see someone raise. Anna, is it? Anna, you raise your hand. Hello, Anna. I'm going to give your microphone is not on. Turn on your microphone. Okay, I'm going to give you authorization. Can you tell us how do you change a 9 into the number? Can you show us? Okay, I tell you, if you don't want this stick, you just put a cross onto it. Okay, so we know that you take it away. Okay, so can 9 become a 3?
Yes.
How does 9 become a 3? Can you put a cross on this?
Because if you take away this part.
Yes, very good.
3.
So that means not okay. So that's one possibility. So 9 is look like this. I'm going to take away this, so it becomes 3. So this is correct. Okay. You can erase out and try 5. Is it possible to have 5? So do you see an eraser on your screen? You can erase what you draw there.
Yeah.
And then try again. Eraser. Press eraser first and then okay. Is it possible to give me 5?
Yes.
Oh, how do I do that? Can you show me where do you remove? Which one do you remove?
So you remove
Put a cross
this.
there. Ah, well done. Excellent. So 5, actually original, this is 9, right? So I remove this stroke, it becomes 5. Well done. 6, is it possible?
No.
No? Why no? Why no?
Because
That's a very hard question to answer. Why no?
we have to add a piece here and then remove this part.
Okay, so you have to add a matchstick, not remove, right? Thank you very much, Anna. Well done. Very clear explanation. Thank you very much. Okay, so you can see for this question, I will choose 3 and 5 as my answer. The reason is I can remove. Okay, I'm going to erase this. I remove as shown in the screen on the screen. I can remove the one on the left to become a 3, or I can remove the one on the right to become 5. Now I have to count the sticks again, and let me try to explain in terms of how many sticks it is. 9 is made of 6 sticks, if you remember. So if you minus 1, it's made of 5 sticks now. And the numbers that's made of 5 sticks is 2, 3, and 5. Okay, so if I look at the possible answers, I know 3 and 5 is possible, but not 6. Okay, so this is a trick. That's why I say you must remember what are the numbers and then how many sticks it is made of. It's very important. It will help you to solve the problems. Okay, so if you didn't write it down, later on I'm going to write out again and you can copy it down one more time. Okay, all right, this one you have to try. I'm going to give you right, open the selector and 1 minute. How about 1 minute? Is it sufficient time? So you have a 6 here. I'm going to remove one matchstick only. What number does it become? Just say only one answer. Don't choose two. Only one answer, okay? You can try to visualize in your head which stick you should remove and it become a new number. Try to visualize in your head. Inara, you want to check your answer one more time? And Tiara as well. Which one I can remove? I can give you a clue. 6 is made of 6 sticks. So if I minus 1, it becomes 5 sticks. So what are the numbers is made of 5 sticks? Just now I mentioned before. Oh, some of you are not answering. Why? I give you 5 more seconds, okay? Justine, you may want to check your answer one more time. And James Gao? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's the end. Okay, well, majority of you get it correct. Well done. And I'm going to call someone to explain, yes? Who wants to volunteer? Um, is there anybody that haven't got a chance to talk? Boeing, how about Boeing? Yes. Haven't heard from Boeing. Yes.
Thank you.
Your mic. Can you on your camera? I can see your face.
Hello.
Yeah, there you go. I give you the authorization. You draw on the figure 6. Which one should I take away? You put a cross on it. Just put a cross.
Take away this one.
Ah, well done. And then I have a 5. See? So your answer is A, B, C, D. Can you draw the answer for me? Excellent work, Boeing. Very well done. Thank you very much. But I have a question for you. How do you know that 0, 1, and 2 are not the answer? Hello, Boeing. How do you know 0, 1, 2 is not the answer? Is your connection stable? I can't really hear you. Okay, sorry. Boeing, you're frozen. Okay. Sorry, I have to put you off stage. I can't, yeah, sorry. Anybody can tell me why the other answers are not the answers? Okay. How about James Gao? How do you decide 0, 1, 2 are not the answer? Do you want the authorization? Do you want to draw something? Maybe? Or maybe you can just, yeah.
0 is not the answer because if you minus these two, you will get a 0. And
Hold on, let me just erase a bit more, then you can draw. Yes. In order to get 0, I have to remove.
You get a small 0, and one is not the answer. It's because here's a 1, and the rest you have to take 4, and it said to take 1, and the answer is not C because 2 will be.
You will need to add some sticks, is it?
2 will be turned around.
Okay, I got you. Yes, that's right. Thank you, James. Thank you, James. Yes, so basically you're trying to visualize in your head 0. Let me try to explain in terms of number of sticks, okay? So I was saying 6 is made of 6 sticks. If minus 1 is 5 sticks. And the numbers that, and the numbers that can made of 5 sticks, okay, please remember, is 2, 3, and 5. Okay, so I know straight away 0 and 1 not possible. It's either 2 or 5. So let's look at a 2. 2 is not possible because I need to add one more line here. I cannot remove, but I need to add and remove something else. So 2 is not possible, but 5 is more likely because I can remove this one to form a 5. And therefore between 2 and 5, 2 is out and 5 is correct. Okay, this is another way to look at it. All right. Wow, we're going to advanced level already. Seems today we don't have a break. So we just go straight, okay? Advanced level, are you ready? Okay, we have an equation here. Now is 2 matchsticks. 2 matchsticks. Isn't all so easy, okay? Well, I'm not going to tell the answer, and I'm going to just give you 2 minutes, or 1 minute rather. I'm going to give you 1 minute to think about it. Is that let me see, is that okay, there's no answers here. So I'm just, after 1 minute, I'm going to ask anyone have the answer can share with us. Okay, you think first. I'll give you 1 minute to think. You can draw on your paper and you can do some thinking. Because I give you the MCQ, I give you the choices, it spoil the fun of discovering, right? So 2 matchstick, okay? 2 matchstick. Oh, somebody is already ready to share, is it? I think I will call Jianhao. Jianhao, you are the new student. Yes, maybe you can contribute. Wow, so many of you are ready to share. Okay, very good. Let's call Jianhao, okay? Jianhao, are you ready? Hello, Jianhao. Your microphone is not on. To on your microphone, I give you the authorization and you can draw out the equation. And what is it that you form the new number?
You can make 5 into 8.
Very good. How come you see this? So 8 plus 9 equals to 17. How come what strategy do you use? Do you have any strategy? Or you just see it and you know straight away?
I just see it and I know straight away.
Oh, you can see it straight away. So no need to think too much. You just try, visualize, and then adding two matchstick and happen. Okay, 8. That's the correct answer. Yes. Well done, Jianhao. Very good. Yes, that's one possible answer. Okay, and that is let me see, is that another answer? Oh. I think that's all right. Yeah, I think that's only one answer. So let's check. Is that another answer? Let's check, huh? Okay, so 5 is made of 5 sticks. Let me check. 5 sticks. If I add 2, it becomes 7 sticks. So there's only one number which have 7 sticks, which is 8. So that's one possible answer. Let's check 9. 9 is made of 6 sticks. Oh, somebody is raising hand. If plus 2, it becomes 8. There's no number. How? Yes. Do you want to say something?
Why is it 9?
Why is it 8 plus 9? Are you asking me? Why is it 8 plus 9? Okay, so 5. So just now, Jianhao explained, you want to add 2 sticks, right? So for him, he realized 5, if you add on the side here and here, it becomes 8. And it will make the equation true. 8 plus 9 equals to 17. Okay? And I was trying to say that 5 is made of 5 sticks. So plus 2 becomes 7 sticks. And there's only one number is made of 7 sticks, which is 8. So I know 8 must be the answer. So it's 8 plus 9. How do you follow? What are you doing? Dancing? How is it okay or not? Okay, thank you for asking the question. Yes. Somebody else want to say something? Yeah. And Lisa, you have a question to ask?
Just want to say that I did it other way. I just did it like 9 plus 9 is 18. So 18 I minus 1, so 17. So I know it's 8.
How does it work? Can you explain one more time?
Okay. 9 plus 9, I think is 18.
So, and then
I did 18 minus 1, equal to 17.
Oh, okay.
So I did it like 9 minus 1 is 8, so I know it's 8.
You
17.
changed the 9 to 8. Wow. Okay. Okay, that works sometimes, but I'm not sure, Elisa, it works every time. But it's a good method. If it works for you, yes. Why not, right? Okay. Thank you for sharing, Elisa. Nice. Thank you. Somebody else want to say something? Yes, Chen, you have a question for me, or you have something to share?
Does 5 and 8 make 17?
No,
I mean,
5.
does 6 and 9? Does 6 and 8 make 17?
Oh, okay, I see. You are trying to work backwards, is it? Are you working backwards? That means you are trying to figure out what plus 9 equal to 17. Maybe you repeat again. What were you saying? Try again.
The 6 plus 9 equals the 6 plus 8 equals 17.
6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 plus 9 is 15. It's not 17.
Okay.
Yes, Kelly? Yes. Okay, but I know where you are going. You are trying to make it 6 and 8, but your final answer is 17. It's not 14, so it doesn't work. Yeah, okay. But thank you for asking that question. Yes, thank you, Tianyi. So maybe other classmates also have the same question. Yeah. So this is a tough one, but you all did very well. Where was I, huh? I was saying something. Oh, I was counting the number of sticks, right? So 9 is made of 6 sticks. So if you plus 2, it becomes 8. And there's no number that has 8 sticks. So cannot happen. And 17, oh, well, it's a bit hard to change the answer. So normally we will just stick with the beginning. Because 17 is a little bit harder to change. That 2 digits. Okay. All right. Let's see what else do we have. So to summarize for today's today's lesson, we have learned some of the questions. Okay. So we solved some of the matchstick problems, right? So first one, we learned how many matchsticks are used to make the original number. So please remember the very common one, write it down. Tomorrow, we are going to use this again. Okay, so 5 sticks, oops, spell wrongly. Okay, if you use 5 matchsticks, you will make the number 2, 3, and 5. Okay, if you have 6 sticks, this is the most common one. You will make 0, 6, the number 2, 3, and 5. Okay, if you have 6 sticks, this is the most common one. You will make 0, 6, and 9. So please remember this, okay, and write it down somewhere. And then we solve some of the equations, okay, and we either add matchstick or remove the matchstick to make sure the equation is true. The left equals to the right. Okay, and yeah, that's all. Yeah, someone have question? Anyone? Is there any question? Bowen, you have a question to ask me?
We forgot to break.
Yeah, today there's no break. You want a break?
Oh.
Well, we're going to end the lesson pretty soon, okay? So Bowen, if
Okay.
you need to go toilet, you can go. It's fine. You can go ahead. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, you can go ahead to the toilet. Okay. All right. Do we have this is an optional question. So I'm going to okay, no discussion of answers. I'm going to give you 1 minute and see any of you can give me the answer. Well, if you can't find the answer, it's fine. Okay. Add 1 matchstick to correct the equation. Maybe to some of you, it's very easy because you straight away see the answer popping at you. That's yeah, that's a blessing. Okay, if you can see the answer, that's well done. Some of you already solved. I see James Gow's hands. Yes, Jackie also solved. The Rosa, I see your hands. Anybody else? Just try. Just think. Okay, why not? Just think. Are you okay to share later on? I'm trying to get as many students. I'll call Justin maybe. He hasn't said anything yet today. Well, a few more seconds to go. See whether you're able to add 1 matchstick to form a new equation. All right. I mean, form the correct equation. Justin, okay. Are you able to share? I see your hands just now. I will give you the authorization. Yep. You can draw on my screen. You add the 1 stick and can show us where do you add the stick.
Because it says add 1 new one. If you
Yes.
add 1 here,
okay,
it makes 9.
Yes, absolutely correct. So 9 minus 4.
5.
Yes,
Equals
correct.
5.
Yes. Well done. You have learned well today. Yes. Thank you, Justine. Thank you very much. Oops. I pressed wrongly. Sorry, Owen. Yes, so the answer is just 9 minus 4 equals to 5. So to some of you, maybe it comes very naturally to you, and straight away you can see the answer. But maybe for me, I'm not so natural. I will count how many sticks it is. So for me, I will know that 3 is made of 5 sticks. So if I add 1, it becomes 6 sticks. And I know 6 sticks have possibility of 0, 6, and 9. Ooh, 9. I like it. So I will see whether 9 works, and it does. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Okay? Yay! I hope you had fun today, and that will be the end of today's lesson. Okay? I think, yeah. See you tomorrow.